Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you masking made easy in CAPCUT. So all you have to do is open one of your project here. This is a mobile version of CAPCUT, so you can install it from Play Store. And this is the project, and you can add overlay here. Add overlay. So you can adjust the video. You can drag it, and then you can add keyframe here. And the bar below, you can try to search mask. This one, mask. Use the horizontal here, try to move. You can rotate the line based on how you want to get the transition to go. Here maybe 90 degree, or just like this. So you can use like this. So let's try to play the video. So you can close the keyframe, and you can close again and add keyframe here. Like this. Let's try to open the video. Here, if you mess this thing up, you can try to close the overlay here using the mask feature. This one here, right here. So you can try to repeat the same, repeat the how you can close the keyframe. So the video will be like this. So please use this mask because it's very easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.